Tonsil stones, or tonsillitis, are small, hardened lumps that can form in the pockets of your tonsils. While they're not usually dangerous, they can cause discomfort, bad breath, and occasionally lead to infections. This video will cover everything you need to know, including what causes them, the symptoms to watch out for, and the safest ways to get rid of them. What are tonsil stones? Tonsil stones are solid, white, or yellowish lumps that form in or on your tonsils. They're made up of food particles, dead cells, mucus, and bacteria that become trapped and then harden over time. These stones can range in size from tiny specks to larger, more noticeable lumps. Although they're typically not harmful, they can lead to various uncomfortable symptoms, such as throat irritation, bad breath, and swallowing difficulties. Causes of tonsil stones. Understanding why tonsil stones form can help you take steps to prevent them. Here are some of the main factors that contribute to their development. 1. Poor oral hygiene. When you don't maintain good oral hygiene, food particles and bacteria can accumulate in your mouth, eventually becoming trapped in the tonsils and forming stones. 2. Chronic tonsil inflammation. If you frequently suffer from tonsillitis, which is the inflammation of the tonsils, you're more likely to develop tonsil stones because your tonsils are often swollen and irritated. 3. Large tonsils. Having larger tonsils can increase the chances of developing tonsil stones because they have more nooks and crannies where debris can get trapped. 4. Sinus issues. Sinus problems, like postnasal drip from sinus infections or allergies, can cause mucus to build up in your throat, which can contribute to the formation of tonsil stones. Symptoms of tonsil stones. While tonsil stones can sometimes be small and go unnoticed, larger stones can cause various symptoms, including 1. Bad breath. One of the most common signs of tonsil stones is chronic bad breath, also known as halitosis, caused by the bacteria and debris in your tonsils. 2. Throat irritation. You might feel like something is stuck in your throat, leading to constant irritation or soreness, especially if the stones are large. 3. Difficulty swallowing. Tonsil stones can make swallowing painful or uncomfortable, as they create a feeling that something is lodged in your throat. 4. Ear pain. Although tonsil stones are located in your throat, they can cause referred pain in your ears because of the interconnected nerve pathways. 5. Swollen tonsils. In some cases, tonsil stones can lead to swelling and redness of the tonsils, making them more prone to infection. Safe methods for removing tonsil stones. 1. Gargling with salt water. Gargling with warm salt water is an easy and effective method for loosening tonsil stones. The salt water helps reduce inflammation and kills bacteria, making it easier for the stones to come loose. 2. Using a cotton swab. You can gently push against the tonsils with a cotton swab to dislodge the stones. Make sure to be gentle and use a clean swab to avoid damaging your tonsils. 3. Oral irrigation. Using an oral irrigator, also known as a water flosser, can help flush out tonsil stones. Set the irrigator to the lowest pressure setting and aim the water at the tonsils to gently remove the stones. 4. Coughing. Sometimes, coughing can help dislodge smaller tonsil stones. If you feel something in your throat, try coughing to see if it comes out on its own. 5. Apple cider vinegar. Diluting apple cider vinegar in warm water and using it as a gargle might help break down tonsil stones. However, use this method with caution, as vinegar is acidic and can irritate your throat. 6. Lemon juice. Similar to apple cider vinegar, gargling with lemon juice mixed with water might help dissolve tonsil stones. When to seek medical attention. 1. Persistent pain. If you're experiencing ongoing or severe throat pain, it could be a sign of a more serious problem, like an infection, that needs medical attention. 2. Large tonsil stones. Large tonsil stones that are difficult to remove or cause significant discomfort may need to be removed by a healthcare professional. 3. Frequent recurrences. If you are frequently developing tonsil stones, your doctor may suggest a tonsillectomy, which is the surgical removal of your tonsils, as a permanent solution. 4. Signs of infection. If you notice symptoms like fever, swelling, or redness around your tonsils, it's important to seek medical help as these could be signs of an infection. How to prevent tonsil stones. 1. Good oral hygiene. Brushing and flossing your teeth regularly is crucial for preventing tonsil stones. Don't forget to clean your tongue as well, since bacteria can accumulate there too. 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps keep your mouth and throat moist, which can reduce the likelihood of debris collecting in your tonsils. 3. Use antibacterial mouthwash. Rinsing with antibacterial mouthwash can reduce the amount of bacteria in your mouth, lowering the risk of tonsil stones. 4. Avoid smoking. Smoking can irritate your throat and increase the accumulation of debris in your mouth, making you more prone to tonsil stones. 5. Manage sinus issues. If you have chronic sinus problems, such as postnasal drip, managing these symptoms can help reduce the chances of developing tonsil stones. 6. Regular checkup.
If you enjoyed learning about tonsil stones, hit subscribe for more health tips. Stay awesome and see you in the next video.